I know your mama says take it slow. That boy is trouble, but you've got my heart pounding in my chest. I can't help it, I'm obsessed. Hey everyone, Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. Want to thank you for tuning in. Please hit like and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. To everyone who has subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Let's get right into this song. It was a song request. If you guys have other requests, let me know. I'm a little bit backlogged, but I'll get to it as soon as I can, okay? So, yeah, thanks for watching. Standard tuning, no capo on this one. So we're going to do, this is Obsessed by Sam Riggs. It's a really great song. I'd never heard it before. So, all right, here's the chords you're going to need to know. D, all right, B minor, okay? All right, then G, and then A. You can probably already hear the song in it, okay? So, the beginning of the song, it just starts with D, all right? So it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's just down. So you do down like a split second wait. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you just do D for the intro. That's it. All right. Now the way that you're going to go into this is you're just going to do that D, and you're going to play it soft at the beginning and for the verses. Now you can either do just like soft down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and I'm doing more of the bottom strings, the higher notes. Okay, but you can either do that. So you're going to do the same strumming pattern either way, or if you want to use a pick or your finger, you can do it with you can do palm mute it. Okay, so it would sound like that if you used a pick. I think it sounds better without a pick if you're going to palm mute it. Okay, so you go, take it slow, walk in the door and you move through the room like smoke. So you can do either one, okay? For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to do it softer so you can hear it a little bit better, okay? But it's the same strumming pattern as the intro, and the chorus is basically the same, okay? So you're just going to do you're just going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so do it 3 times, and after the 3rd time that you do that part, okay, where you go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so after that 3rd one, you go into the 4th one, then you're going to start singing the chorus, or the verse, okay? So you're going to go, take it slow, walk in the door and you move through the room like smoke. Okay, so like is B minor, like smoke. Take it easy on me, learning to breathe all the way, and they all know. Okay, so and they all know is you're going to do G. They all know that you've had my heart held hostage for some. Okay, some is D. So you do D, B minor, G, and then you're going to go back to D right here. For some time. So on some is where you do D. Time. Hypnotize me, equalizers in your eyes. So on yours you do B minor. Eyes. Stepping out to the beat, feeling the heat with you tonight. So with you is G. So you're doing the same thing again. So D, B minor, G, D, B minor, G. Okay. Tonight. So you do G on like 2 of tonight. And I wish you were mine. Okay, so then you do A. And I wish you were mine. Okay, then I like to mute it. Then you're going to go, I'm obsessed. Okay, so obsessed is B. So it was going D, B minor, G. You do that twice, and then you end it with A at the verse. And you're going to do that next verse as well. But what you do here in the chorus, then, so after you do A at the end of it, and I wish you were mine, I'm obsessed. Okay, so obsessed is B minor. Obsessed, everything that you love. Okay, so obsessed is B minor. Obsessed, everything, and then so obsessed, everything that. Okay, everything that is G. That you do in love. Okay, and love is D. In love, for every bit of you I confess. Okay, so every bit is A. Every bit of you I confess. Confess is B minor. Confess, you're the only is G. Only thing on my mind, keep me up. So mind is D. Mind, keep me up all night. So keep me up is A. Up all night, I know. No is B minor. No, your mama says take it slow. So mama is G. Mama says take it slow. Okay, then what you're gonna do here is, so I know B minor. Your mama is G. Your mama says take it slow. Slow is D. Slow that. So when you do slow, that boy is trouble. Okay, so you do D on slow. Slow, that boy is trouble. And on treble you do A. Okay. Trouble, but you. Okay, so far it's been the same chord progression throughout the chorus. All right, the chorus hasn't varied. But you've got my heart pounding. So but is B minor. Pounding is G. Pounding in my chest. Chest is D. Chest, I can't help. Help is A. Help it, I'm obsessed. Okay, so for the chorus you're gonna play it louder than you do the verses, and for the verses you'll play them a little bit softer. Okay, I wouldn't. You can palm mute the verses. Don't palm mute the chorus though. Okay. So then you're gonna, when you do I can't help it, I'm obsessed. Obsessed. You go back to D, and you're gonna go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, and you'll just do it twice, and then go into the verse. If you can tell, don't want your body with nobody else. Okay, and they'll just go like that. So for the chorus, you're gonna do B, G, D, A. Okay, so you can do that once, twice, 4 times. So you're gonna do it 4 times and then end on D. Okay, so B minor, G, D, A, 4 times, and then end on D. Okay, so then the only other thing you need to know for this song is during the solo, you're gonna play it like you did the chorus, but you're just gonna play it twice. You're gonna do B minor, G, D, A, B, G, D, A. Okay, then you go back into it. I'm obsessed, everything that you do in love, with every bit of you. I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. Okay, so then you go back into that part where it's just B minor, G, D, A, B minor, D, A. Just an out, like first part of that. Okay, and then you go do the rest of the chorus. So that's all you need to know. Okay, that's the whole song. Super easy. Let me know if you have any questions or other songs you'd like to learn. It's been fun. I'll see you next time.